領域展開
Sorry for cringe intro. Let's get started. First, go to the map save that almost reaches the prop limit to maximize your prop usage. But you can also do this to any map save that haven't reached the 1000 prop limit. After checking the prop and vehicle limit, go to a place that is empty. Then place a trigger that has a special text on object name, so you can easily find it on text editor. After that, place a random prop. Save it, and exit the game. Open your save file on Quick Edit, or in any text editor. Now find the last prop you placed by scrolling to the bottom. Copy the unique ID of the prop and paste it on connected IDs of the trigger. Save the SVN file. Load it on multiplayer so you can see it, if it really works. Check it. It works. Now the props and vehicles is 0. Now you can place another 1000 props and 40 vehicles. Build more with your friends or strangers. But there are cons and downside of this method. You cannot save it and change anything. The builds you made on extended prop limit will be wasted. But there is a pros also. Other people cannot save it, even if they use hacks or script. Okay, let's move on.
弱いもん大丈夫僕最強だから領域展開ブラックじゃー
Credits to Galaxy. He helps me how to build negative prop machine. This is how to build it with on and off button. Go on the spawner tool, make sure you check the freeze. Make the delete after 0.9 to 0.1 but in synchronized. This is kinda complicated to explain. Please watch it carefully. Place a XOR logic gate. Connect it to the spawners. Then place a NOR logic gate. Place two timers with 0.5 time. Two buttons that has toggle on. Watch carefully how to wire it. As you can see, the timer is blinking continuously. Now press the buttons to turn it off. Connect the timers to XOR logic gate. Press the two buttons to turn it on. Press any one button again if you want it to turn off. Check the prop limit if it's changing down. Now wait if you must.
A few inches later.
Wow, I generate over 1,370 props available. This works on the vehicle too, same method. Let's see. That's so fast. Now the props and vehicles in multiplayer are limitless. I already tried this with other people. The only problem is that too much vehicle can lag and crash the server. Thanks to the people who try and test the limitations of Hyper tools. If you're the person who invented or discovered these things, please comment. Okay, next one.
12 seconds later.
Here's a fast and different approach to make prop limit expand. Go to any map, just normal. Load it to the text editor. Change the map name to anything, and save it. Load the modified map in single player first. Just wait until it goes back to menu. After waiting, now create a server but use a different map. And there you go. 1 million props available. No need to wait. Okay, next.
Mango, mango, mango.
The infinity code on speed is so interesting. It kind of disables the gravity, bullets and explosion doesn't work, and entering the vehicle will be blocked. The bullet trail is also disabled on props. The bullets will only work on the map floor. And if you turn back the prop that is set to infinity, everything will go back to its original nature. But also, it has a bug. I'm blackout. This is how to do it. Change the speed of mover to infinity and the other position. This is how to do it right. Spawn any chair. Mover tool comma. You can use any position. Set the speed to max 100 and max position B. Place a trigger that is set to the player mode. Right in the respawn point, so you can bring it back when you black out. Place another mover for the trigger. Set it to the same as position up. Connect and set up everything. Then save the game. Load it on text editor. Scroll down and replace the speed of infinity. Also replace position B to infinity too. Save it, then load and test it. Press the button connected to movers. Try everything. And this is what you do if your vision get blackout. Respawn and always try to switch from first-person view to third-person view. Respawn on which vision you are blacked out, and respawning will fix the problem. The HICLE is blocked after a few seconds. This is not a part of infinite code, but I think this is a cool bug. Try and discover it on yourself, and tell it to me. Let's proceed to the last one.
おい、五条悟領域展開スクマミジュス
This server destroyer is originated from Tub. I'm not gonna explain this much. since most players already know this. You can use it to shut down your server. If there's a scripter who joins your room. This is much more effective than NAND, but yet complicated to build. That's all, thanks for watching.